Hi, in front of me I have OnePlus Nord N100 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Google Chrome. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. And after a second or two, you'll hear the sound and this will appear at the bottom of the screen. And also you will have the notification that the screenshot was captured. And here we can share it or delete it. We can also take a long screenshot basically. So let's press and hold the buttons again. And we can tap on expanded screenshot. And this option allows you to take screenshot of the whole page instead of only the amount of that fits on the screen, like this. And you can tap on it to stop scrolling and take the screenshot, like that. Okay, let's delete this. You can also take the screenshot another way. To do it, simply press and hold the power button and volume up button together. When this menu appears, you have this option screenshot right here. Tap on it to take the screenshot. And there's also a third way to take screenshots. To do it, we need to open the settings first. So let's go back to home screen, open the settings. In settings, we need to tap on buttons and gestures. Here select quick gestures, I believe. Yes. And we have 3-finger screenshot option. Enable it by tapping the slider next to it. And now we can take the screenshot by swiping down on the screen with 3 fingers. Like this. And that's how you take the screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.